Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with a Temu fall nail haul, and I'm going to show you guys how to properly apply your press on toenails. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so as we are in the end of summer and beginning of fall, I'm noticing a lot of nail colors that are like blue or orange or not so much hot pink and hot colors, more of a softer pink. So that's what these are giving. Now this is a 48 piece press on nail and toenail set. It comes with 24 toenails and 24 nails. So let's get into these toenails first. Of course they come with a nail file and nail stickers to stick them on. Y'all know I do not use the stickers because I want my nails to always last long, but this is how the toenails look fresh out of the pack, and as you can see, they are definitely giving nail shop vibes. Like nobody would ever know that these are some press-ons if you applied them right. And look at the nails, like the nails are giving as well. I love the purple, the pink, the orange, the both color blues. Like this set is so cute and perfect for fall, still giving a pop of color but not so much Halloween-ish. So we ain't there yet. It ain't October. I know it's fall, but we still on the brighter side of fall. But when spooky season comes around, these right here are perfect for spooky season. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. I love all the spooky stuff, scary movies, and trick-or-treating. Like I'm all in around Halloween time. It's one of my favorite times of the year. But get into these nails and these toenails because they are super cute for spooky season. Do not wait until the last minute to get your spooky season nails. Get them now because you'll be mad when they sell out. In October, they're going to sell out quick. So I always do my planning for my holiday themes like a month in advance because I already know things are going to be sold out. So it's good to plan ahead, and Temu has so many spooky season nails on there right now. Matter of fact, if you are watching this video, make sure you check the description of this video and download the Temu app. There's a link in there for you to download the app if you don't have Temu already. And if you would like to get a $100 coupon bundle, make sure you use my referral code, which is FAVE23582, so you can get your $100 coupon and save on your order. I think you can get up to an extra 30% off. So make sure you guys are using my coupon code for Temu. And shout out to Temu for sponsoring this haul. But let's get back into these nails and these toenails. This set is so bomb. As you can see, it's very glossy, very cutesy with the pink and black. I think the pink and black just complements each other to bring out the nails, and they're giving cute and spooky. So up next, I got another super cute spooky set. When I saw these, the colors and the length is what caught my eye because y'all know I love me a long or an extra long square shape nail set. So these are not a matching nail and toenail set. This is just a nail set. 24 nails comes in this set, and look at how cute this set is. Okay, you got some that have glitter all over them, and then you have one that has a glitter French tip, and then you have the super cute ghost one with the colors behind the ghost, and then you have like a scary spooky pumpkin with flames to kind of bring a little darkness to the set. So I love the balance that this set has. And next I have another nail set, and this one is so cute. I love the colors in this set. I love all the gold 3D bling on this set. I love the pink and blue flowers. I love the designs. that they have on this set. I feel like the designs on these press-on nails just keep on getting better and better, and they are definitely giving more quality to the nails, which is what we are going for, because we want it to look like we are coming fresh out of the nail salon. We do not want to give press on, and these definitely do not give press on. These are so cute. The details in them, it's all in the details. I love the 3D bling with the flowers, and that star is so cute. That 3D butterfly, like, you cannot tell me these don't look like some salon quality nails. And when I apply them, y'all know how I get out on the nails. And so I also got a Savvyland base coat and top coat gel set. Now, I have never seen Savvyland products on Temu until recently, so I was like, okay, we got Savvyland on Temu now, I gotta get me some. So I got this 2-piece gel base coat and top coat set. Base coat and top coat is basically used to give your nails that salon quality look and finish. They also add an extra layer of thickness and shine to your nails so that they last long. This comes with alcohol prep pads, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher. Those items definitely come in handy when you are doing your nails, and I cannot wait to put this base coat and top coat to use, because I've heard nothing but great things about Savvyland products. So like I said, if you guys liked everything in this haul, make sure you click the link in the description of this video and download the Temu app and use my referral code FAVE23582 to get you a discount on your order if you are new to Temu. So since I needed my nails and my toes done, I decided to go ahead and do a tutorial for you guys on one of the matching nail and toenail sets from this haul. Now, I usually give you guys the tutorial on the nails, and then I just show you guys the completed look of the nails and the toenails. But this time I decided to go ahead and do the tutorial on the toes so you guys can learn how to properly apply your press on toenails. So what I just did was used the nail file that came with the nails to gently roughen up the surface of my natural toenail and remove the shine from them so that my press on toenails will stick better and last longer. And then after I did that, I sprayed my toe with some alcohol and acetone mixture as a nail dehydrator to further dehydrate and remove any grease and oil from my toe. I removed the excess nail dust with alcohol prep pad, and that's the glue that I'm going to be using. And now I am sizing my press on toenail to fit my natural toenail bed. So these toenails fit my toes perfectly, and as you can see, it comes with multiple sizes for the big toes and your other smaller toes. So you always want to pick the nail that best fits your natural toenail from sidewall to sidewall, just like you would pick for your fingernails. You don't want any spaces or gaps on the side, because that's where your nails will start to lift first after you've had them on for a while. So make sure you're picking the correct size for your toe. So now I am gently just dabbing the brush on nail glue onto my toenail bed, making sure I get in all the crevices of my toe. And then I'm going to line that press on toenail up against my cuticle area, gently press into the cuticle first, and then just start pressing the remainder of the nail down. And I'm also making sure I am pressing my side walls, because like I said, that's where your nails will tend to lift first, is around your side walls and the cuticle area. So you also want to make sure you are pressing not only the center of your nail, but also the side walls and into the cuticle area. And you want to press and hold for about 30 seconds. And look how good that toe look. You can't tell me that this toenail don't look like it was professionally done at the nail shop. It's giving acrylic. It's giving acrylic toenail with a fresh design on it. Okay, that is what we want to give all the time, every time that we apply our press on toenails. Temu has really stepped their game up as well with the toenails and the nails. They are a lot more durable. I don't know what they're doing with these new ones, but compared to the ones from last year, I definitely could tell that the quality of the nails are a little bit different and it's much better. They was hitting last year too, but something about these this year, they just been on point. So with your smaller toes, I do recommend using a tweezer to apply them if you are not a professional like myself, you know. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you're not used to applying your toenails on yourself and you have small toenails, I do advise you to apply them with a tweezer, because your fingers will get in the way sometimes and you won't be able to see if you're lining the press on toenail up with your natural toenail correctly. So the tweezers will give you more of a view to see exactly what you are doing. I, on the other hand, am not really good with using tweezers when it comes to nails and toenails. I have not perfected that yet. I can just kind of tell where to place it with my fingers, so I'm not using the tweezer in this video. I have done some applications with my toenails on other videos using a tweezer, so if you want to go back and check some of my other videos out to see how I use the tweezer to apply them, go ahead and check the other videos out on my channel. I'm used to applying them now. I think I got the hang of it, so I don't really use the tweezer unless it's absolutely necessary. Like for my pinky toe, sometimes I definitely have to use a tweezer because that toe is so small, but I've kind of learned how to use my hands better to apply my toenails, so I'm comfortable with doing it with a tweezer and without a tweezer. Oh, so actually I'm gonna show you guys how I use the tweezer for this toe. So it wasn't cooperating at first, but you basically just use the tweezer to have a better view, line that press on nail where you want it, and once you get it on your toe where it's supposed to be, then you can let go of the tweezer and just press with your fingers so that you can really press it good into your toenail. I forgot I actually did use the tweezer in this video, but if you want to still check out my other videos to see how I use the tweezer, you can do that as well. And we got that toenail on, and we got one more toe to do, which is the pinky. Sometimes the little pinky toe be a little stubborn, a little more hard to do, but we're gonna get it done. And for some reason I could not get a good handle on this tweezer to apply this pinky toe. You see how the nail just flew? I was like, okay, you know what, let me just use my hand. So I used my fingers and I was able to get it onto my pinky toe good, and I pressed and held it for 30 seconds, and then boom, just like that, we got our nails and our toes done for $4. Make sure you guys check the description box of this video for links to everything in this haul, and make sure you guys drop a comment and let me know how you feel about these nails and everything from this haul. And please, please, please like this video and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.